question here is check whether the system is linear or nonlinear. So this is a question. So in order to find whether the system is nonlinear or linear, first you have to it has to obey the law of additivity. Okay, law of additivity and homogeneity. Okay, so what is homogeneity means? If suppose this x of n is my signal, and whether if it is given to a system h of n, you will obtain the value of y of n. So the y of n is equal to x of n convolution of h of n, right? So whenever it is multiplied with c, you will get c into y of n at the output, right? So suppose if again this is the first system I am obtaining. If again if I do the x of n, if I multiply with c, I will get c into x of n. Again if I give it to this system, I will get c into y of n. So this is nothing but a law of homogeneity. So next how to solve the law of additivity. So for law of additivity, I can obtain y of t is equal to a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t, where x of t is equal to I have to substitute a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. So in this one, to obtain the y of t is equal to a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. So first I am going to substitute, instead of y of t, I am going to substitute a into y1 of t. So you will get the answer like this, plus 4 into 4 into these 4 into d square of dt, right? A into y2 of t, sorry, a into y1 of t, a into y1 of t plus 5 this a I can take it common, so dy1 of t plus dt plus 2 a square y2 y1 square, that is equal to a into x1 of t plus 5. Okay, in a similar way I can substitute for, instead of a, I am going to substitute b. So next I am going to substitute b. So for that one, I'm just copy this one. Okay, I just copy this one, I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to change instead of a, I'm going to change it as b. Okay, so we get b. So instead of 1, I'm going to substitute as 2. So if I do like this, I will get a, right, d cube y1 of t by dt cube plus b d cube y2 of t plus dt cube plus 4 a d square y1 of t plus dt square plus 4p d square y of t dt square plus 5 a dy1 of t by dt plus 5 b dy2 of t by dt plus 2 a square y1 square of t plus 2b y2 square is equal to a x1 of t plus 5 plus 5 plus bx2 of p plus 5. So now below we have probability, but also so suppose if we have x1 of n, right? x1 of n is given to one system, okay, h1 of n, and here x2 is given to h2 of n, okay. So these two and enough, okay, and I one of the plus y2 of n, right? So this is when if we add these two bulbs, okay, aims me to y and these two terms x1 of n plus x2 of n. If I multiply the system, okay, like a cheap pen, I again by applying the f n plus h y2 f. So we have a principle of additivity. So unless such transition can do, I'm going to substitute these two equations in the area of the EDC equation. So if you substitute, I'll dq dtq a and I have t plus b ital t plus 4 pi okay. So d squared may dt squared a y1 of t plus b by t t, right? D we have t y1 of t plus a b by 2 of t plus here v1 of t plus b by 2 of t upon square it and cos for substitute of this 2 unit, okay. Boom into 2 at the sequence a x it's on the t plus 4, right, plus 5 plus b x t plus 5. So this is known as the equation. And if we compare this equation with the sat, okay, if compare E and P, so you can see I get the difference here. So this is a different fine lot of E. So now for both sort equal to E, so what is nothing that nonlinear. Okay. So it's still I'm going to do solve another problem. Harmonize this the OP is not be this stuff. So here this AOP is dependent variable. It is not be that this so this will result in the now okay. This are second follow. So you end up top the pen. Okay. So of course the question there is DKF D a DPQ just figured into d square p plus dp square. So you stop this up. Suppose it belongs like this. Okay, poly into dk of k by dt plus 2 into y square at t 6 plus. Or I can see if this all things, so this was a different thing, non-linear. How is it for x squared unless it is then skip this again non-linear. Okay, if I say x squared, okay. So let's let us discuss the fourth problem. x of n minus 1. So first we substitute y to e into 1 of n. So this becomes a into x1 of n is a into x1 n minus 1. So then b into a2 of n is equal to b into x2 of n plus b into x2 of n minus 1. So here I will do it either n of n plus b y2 of n is equal to a x1 of n plus b x2 of n. Thus, on the big e x1 of the minus n plus 1 over the b x2 of n minus 1. So let us equation on the substitute x of n is equal to e onto x1 of 1 plus b into x2. So we step on each we want to do. So the substitute and the number in a seat into e x1 here is b x2 here. Is on the right instead of x if you don't answer x also the other substitute lay a x1 of n minus 1 plus b x2 of n minus 1. So if you compare the 7 equation, right? There was this equation. You compare this equation at this one. Okay. This is now maybe and this is by b. Okay. So we're going to see this is not equal. Therefore, that is the nonlinear system. Okay. That is consider the y t is equal to x r 2 into sine omega sec. Okay. So when I go to do e into e m t is equal to a into x r of t sine omega sec t. B into right of t is equal to b into x2 of t sine omega sec. So if you have a over line of t plus b all2 of t, I will get a x1 of t sine omega ct plus b x2 of t sine omega ct. So this is here a. Okay. So my first equation I have to substitute a x1 of t plus b x2 of t instead of x of t sine omega ct. So if we solve that e x1 of t plus e x2 of t a so in the value of t also at the substance a y1 of t plus b v2 of t. Okay. So draw the secant to the sine omega ct plus x1 of t plus b x2 of t sine omega ct. This is your b. Since e is equal to b equal opposite linear system.